If you're ever in the Charlotte area and you're thinking about servicing your General Motors product, anything from GMC, Chevy to Cadillac, one of the places you do not want to go to, of course, I'm going to step in here so you can see this, Park Chevrolet off IKEA Boulevard in Charlotte, North Carolina. Now, why do you never want to go there? 2004 Cadillac Escalade, tuck it in for service. Check engine light, transmission. Also gave him every code, and the gentleman I'm referring to, and if you see this gentleman, get the hell out and run, because he's going to rip you off. The most dishonest service advisor I ever ran into. 2004 Cadillac Escalade, tuck it in, check engine light 1, and transmission would not shift from first to second. Tuck it into Mr. Phillips, approached him about a week earlier. Can you help me? Yes, I can help you. Yes, I can fix your vehicle. Brought it back, dropped it off 1 month, never called me. Finally came back, he said your vehicle's ready. Got in my vehicle will shift from first to second, won't shift to third. So guess what I can't drive? My vehicle. If you're ever going to Park Chevrolet, or you're thinking about going to Park Chevrolet, think again. Run. Do not go to Park Chevrolet. Now, you can see the documents here, and I'm going to show you. I'll give you a little teaser here. Out of all the documents I have, and I'm going to bring you a full-length video on this, and then I'll be contacting the news station to see if it's going to be newsworthy to bring to their attention. But take a look at that. Cadillac South Charlotte. Same exact vehicle, tuck, a week later to Cadillac South Charlotte. The amount of money they gave me for my full repairs came up to be about $2,400 to $2,300. Park Chevrolet, $9,200, $9,300.